Hi, how you doing? My name's Steve. I'm a technician here at Ikelite Underwater Systems. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to remove this little half moon piece so you can clean your toggle for your battery pack. And the first thing you want to do is pull the toggle straight up. On the front side, you have the little cotter key that goes in the strobe that locks it into place. You want to push that up, and this little half moon piece will come out a little bit, and it should just pop right out. And now you've got the toggle that spins free. And you'll notice when you take this off, it's probably going to be pretty dirty in there. So you can use some mild dish soap, maybe in a small toothbrush, to clean this out. And then after you clean it out and dry it, I recommend using the Ikelite lube. And you push the toggle up as far as you can. You can put some lube on that, and that's going to help that toggle move up and down a lot easier. After you get it cleaned and lubed, to reinstall the half moon piece, push the toggle in, and you take this and slide this right over the toggle. It should snap right back into place, and then you're done. I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions or any comments, you can email us at ikelite@ikelite.com. Thanks, have a great day.